Sunday, February the 8th, 2026. It's about 2:25. What the temperature? What is the temperature? We're headed way back to the shop. Homes from the mid 300s. We're on Jackson Trail. It says it's 52 and partly cloudy. Something's wrong, isn't it? Because it is sunny and no clouds in the sky that I see. Google weather just doesn't have it together today, do they? Very nice winter day. We haven't been on this road before that I remember. I'm sure we're going to connect with a road that we've been on and have video of, but I don't think we've got any video of this one. Am I starting to recognize where we're at? I'm not sure. Okay, coming up on Georgia 82. Yes, I do recognize this. We usually come across right here from left to right. No, wait a minute, that's a railroad track. No, this is Atlanta Highway. This is US 29 business. Okay, which way do we want to go? Okay, we're going to go this way. Catch us a train today. We need to get us a train today. We have a local established artist who has done well in selling stuff internationally that we may be helping with a YouTube channel, getting her set up on a YouTube channel. We'll see how that works out. Yeah, she's selling paintings internationally, which is great. Local and internationally. She's done murals and stuff for Atlanta, Beaufort. She's well established. But she doesn't have a YouTube channel. I think it would benefit her marketing. I think it'd benefit her greatly to use YouTube in her marketing. So we'll see if we can be of any assistance. Please like, share, and subscribe. If we do get her up and on a YouTube channel, we will show it. We'll just have to see how things play out. Some goats over there in the fence. Coming up to Struggleville. Okay, I know where we are. There used to be a little convenience store up here on the left, and the guy had all kind of stuff in there. Struggleville. We'll be turning right here. We could go straight. You know what? The blue line, he says we can go. I know how to go if we go right, but let's go straight. He used to have all kind of stuff in a little store there on the left. He was a very interesting fella. I don't think we got this way. I don't believe. Yeah, Winder was to the left if we turned left. And then, was that 82? That'd take us out to 129 if we had went straight across. Or if we turned right. did go straight across, didn't we? This may take us by the Shields Etheridge Heritage Farm. I'm not sure. I don't know these roads that well. I don't know them at all. We'll just see where we come out. Pleasant Hill Church. I think I know where that. I know where that is. Where is Pleasant Hill Church? I can't think where they come out though. This is Bowman Mill. So right along with us this Sunday afternoon. Absolutely gorgeous Sunday afternoon. We run across a subdivision between here and the shop. We'll drive through it and get video. We may get out and go in a house or two. We need to do that more. We haven't done that near as much as we need to. I like that place there. Old type farmhouse. Somebody got some bees out there. Belly Acres Homestead. This area is pretty hilly, isn't it? I like it. Look like some couple of new houses there. .6 miles, we come up on US 129. So this may take us by Shields Etheridge Heritage Farm. We have a video of that. I don't know how far back, but we do have a video of that. Yeah, pipeline construction all through here. I have noticed when we're anywhere in this area, infrastructure, gas line, fiber optic, water pipe. This area is primed for explosive development. So we're documenting before things happen, during things under construction progress, and then after they get finished. 15 years from now, you come through here, it will not look like this. Okay, where is this? I think this is it. We can turn right here, but we're going to go straight. I think this will take us by Shields Etheridge Heritage Farm. Yeah, we usually go across right here, and that'll take us up to the right. That'll take us up to the store, and we hit 82 and go to the left and go back. To the left, it'll take us over to Georgia 53, and then on across over to Georgia 11. 211. I give out a lot of wrong information, so y'all need to verify it before you take it for granted, or before you believe it. dumps a mattress out in the road. This looks like a good spot. Let's just stop here at midnight and dump it out in the road. Of course, if I didn't have it secured in the back of a pickup, it could have just flown out too. This is pretty country. I don't know if we're in Barrow or Jackson. One or the other, but I don't know which one. Starting to get to be late winter. No outlet. I wonder if there's a bridge down there. I think we're going to be west of the North Oconee. I don't think we're going to cross it, but we might. I mean the Middle Oconee. I know we won't cross the North Oconee. See, I was giving you some bad information there. Oh, but this is the Middle Oconee. Okay, we are entering Jackson County. This is probably the boundary line, Barrow and Jackson. That is probably Middle Oconee. What is this up here? See when this bridge was built. We got people behind us. 1957. Okay, now that's going to be the Middle Oconee. That's bigger. We have two bumper cars behind us. Got his heads back yesterday. He's got his lifters. We have, I think, let's see, we have preloaded them or pre-lubed them, whatever you want to call them, with the oil, and we used a pressure system to do it that we rigged up ourselves. You need to check that video out. It's pretty neat. Help him get his engine back together. We also want to get a radio with a screen with Android Play, and also this HVAC control module here on the dash. Not the vacuum one underneath the hood, but the one that can, you know, the switches and stuff out here on the dash. And I guess we've about decided to do it ourselves, because we'll be able to get a radio and the module. And okay, here's the Shields Etheridge Heritage Farm up here. We'll be able to get both of those by doing it ourselves and still save money. Okay, we're going to turn in, get these people off our back. But we do have a video of this, so we're not going to get out and walk around, but I do want y'all to see this. Look for that other video. It's an old farm. cabin, maybe the old smokehouse. Very interesting, folks. It really is. Y'all need to, if you're in the area, check it out. If you're interested in old farms and barns, quite a few nice old farm buildings. Interesting church here. It's gated, so we can't get past. We could get out, but I'll let y'all look at this old church here too. Old well house. Well, the sun's in her eyes, isn't it? No parking. I don't guess they want anybody to explore this old church. New house. New construction everywhere. Remodeling, renovation. Stuff is everywhere. It's a big, interesting place over there. This video's already got to be 17 minutes long, folks. You know, when we come up to US 129, I'm not sure what position we'll be in from Jefferson to Arcade. I think we're going to be closer to Arcade than we will be to 85. For sale. Be a couple of houses there before long. On US 129, like I say, I-85 is to the left. Arcade will be straight across, I'm pretty sure. Or would at least take you into Arcade. Athens is to our right. How far down are we? Let's see. I think the Kroger, the Kroger and the Publix are back behind us. Let's go ahead and turn this one off. This one's at 19 minutes. We know where we're at. Arcade City Park, there to the left. Arcade will be right up here at the next red light. Police station and City Hall.